Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the Urlmon Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. As we prepare to resolve Urlmon Library, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the Urlmon Library. It manages the system's MIME type detection, zone security checks, and high-level file downloading protocols. It is a critical dependency for Microsoft Office. If missing, applications will fail to open web links or process file downloads, often reporting an internal security failure. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. This error indicates that a protected Windows file has been compromised. Use the official System File Checker tool. Run sfc/scan now in an administrator CMD to ensure Urlmon Library DLL is restored to its original verified state. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Urlmon library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. If you're still offline after the reboot, we need to clear out the corrupted network routes manually. Open Command Prompt as admin, then run these two commands. First, type NIDTSH space INT space IP space RESET, then hit enter. Second, type NITSH space WINSOCCK space RESET, then hit enter again. Why are we doing this? Well, connectivity files manage the flow of data across your system. Resetting the network stack clears out stagnant routing table errors and refreshes the underlying protocol manifests. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing Urlmon Library DLL from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If registry organization or startup behavior is a concern, the maintenance resource below includes Urlmon library references. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Urlmon library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.